Right, good evening all. Some fantastic news from today. So the British Medical Association, which is the trade association and the main trade union and professional association for doctors and medical students in this country, it has about 160,000 members, has been having over the last few days its annual representative meeting down in Brighton. Now the annual representative meeting is the main policy forming function of the BMA. So they've been having lots of votes on lots of stuff, and today they had a session on Brexit and they voted on 7 different things here, including supporting overwhelmingly a people's vote, but also, get this, voting to oppose Brexit as a whole. So I'll go through the 7 things that they voted on. So, number 1, support the UK remaining in the European single market. That was 76% for. Number 2, support open border arrangements with free movement of healthcare and medical research staff. 91% for. Number 3, support the UK remaining a member of Euratom to ensure the protection of supply of radioisotopes. 97% for. Number 4, support the early adoption of the European Clinical Trials Directive in the UK. 94% for. They should have said the Clinical Trials Regulation because it's been upgraded, but there we go. Number 5, publicly announced that it is concerned that Brexit poses a major threat to the NHS and the nation's health. 79% for. So the BMA will now be campaigning overtly, saying that it is concerned that Brexit is damaging to the NHS and the UK's health. Okay. Number 6, support the idea that support the idea of the public having a final say on the Brexit deal now that more is known regarding the potential impact of Brexit on the NHS and the nation's health. 74% for. And then finally, the last one, number 7, they just decided to throw this in, oppose Brexit as a whole. Guess what? 62% for. So that is now BMA policy, and the BMA now joins the Royal College of Midwives, which was for a people's vote, and the Royal College of Nurses that came out with a big vote supporting campaigning for a people's vote. So you can see more and more of the medical community and the healthcare community coming on board as they can see the damage that Brexit is doing to the NHS in terms of the financing, in terms of the staffing, in terms of the threats with the Trump deal coming up, in terms of the threats breaking frameworks regarding medicines and radioisotopes and research. So they're all starting to come on board and all campaign for a people's vote, and the BMA is also going to be has as policy to oppose Brexit as a whole. Good stuff.